Okay guys, I'm going to show you how to install the WF3144 resistor emulator module. I've got one here, it's brand new, it's from the Wireflow web shop. Okay. Yes, and I'm going to install it here into my compact Rio chassis. I just put it in and put the connector here, like so. Okay, and I've connected the power and the network cable. So now we're going to install the drivers, and you can fetch the drivers from Wireflow's homepage, wireflow.se. Download resistor emulator module driver. And then I just put it on the desktop. Alright, so we're done. And to be able to install it, you have to have the VI Packet Manager from JKI. And if you don't already have it, you can download it from JKI's webpage, or you can get it from the Tools menu from within LabVIEW as a LabVIEW add-on. So here it is, and I just double-click the VIP file. So here you have it. It's a VF3144 resistor emulator. It's the latest version, and I'm installing it for LabVIEW 2012. And if you have just installed the VI Packet Manager and this isn't working, there is a troubleshooting guide from within the VI Packet Manager, because it's not uncommon that this might fail if you don't have the right TCP ports activated from within LabVIEW. Okay, so I shut down the Packet Manager, and now I'm going to show you how to build a simple project with a resistor emulator module in. So let's take from the top in LabVIEW, and I will create a blank project. Okay, so this is how you do it. You say new targets and devices, and then you should find your compact Rio. In my case, it's a real-time compact Rio, so I just expand that heading, and there it is. It's a 9075. So to be able to use this module, you cannot use the scan interface. You have to use the LabVIEW FPGA interface. So I choose that, I select that, and now it's discovering the chassis, and it's hopefully discovering the module here. Okay. So it has discovered the module itself, and here you can see the I/O items. It's channel 0, 1, 2, and 3, and there is also the combined high resolution channels, which uses two physical channels. It's channel 0, 1 and the channel 2, 0. But I'm going to make a simple VI that just uses channel 0. So I start off with a new VI. I right click on the FPGA target, and then I just drag the I/O node from the project onto the block diagram. Then I right click and create a control, and then I create a while loop and a constant. So it will loop forever. And here you just input the desired resistance, and for the VF3144 it ranges from 16 ohms to 160 ohms. Okay, so to be able to compile and run this, I need to save it first. So I save it, I just call it VF3144 test. Okay, and I click on the play button, and then I have to save the project as well, and I just call it Untitled Project 1, save it at the same place. So now my PC starts to compile this, and it would, I think it will take about 6 or 7 minutes for it to be finished. So, time for some banjo practice. Now the compilation is ready. It took a bit longer than I thought. It took 13 minutes on my PC. Anyway, so I run the VI, and I will input, let's say, 50 ohms or something like that. And to verify that this is working, I use my DMM and measure the resistance between pins 0 and 1 on the module. And there you have it, 50 ohms. So instead of, let's say, 5 kilo ohms. Okay, so there you have it, and that concludes this video of how to get your VF3144 resistor emulator up and running. Bye for now.